John knows everything about Facebook ads and wanted to build a course on the topic. He created a sales funnel on Builderall with a capture page, email sequence, sales page, and membership area. John also uses animated videos, conversion proof, and Builderall's checkout system to sell his courses online. As a result, with only a few pages, John built a complete, prosperous, and legitimate business using Builderall. How about you? What's your story? Would you like to leverage your business or idea and turn yourself into the successful entrepreneur that you've always wanted to be? Here, you can transform your $1 million idea into a $1 million business. I am Eric Salgado, and I am inviting you now to register on Builderall to get immediate access to all our tools, courses, trainings, and sales funnels. You will be pleasantly surprised by all we have to offer. We can work together to write your success story on the internet. Builderall is the most complete online business platform available to anyone, anywhere. And I created it for people just like you. So sign up now.